Hey, what's up guys? In today's video you're going to learn how to make a WordPress website with Elementor. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. So guys, let's begin. So for me, the best web hosting is Bluehost. This is one of the best web hosting and I have a 70% discount. The link is in the description, the link down below. So let's begin. All you have to do is just get started. And guys, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So I would select recommended. Okay, so Bluehost is one of the best web hosting just because it gives you a free SSL, free domain. Okay, and it has a lot of security features, and then you have to put your domain in. I've already created a domain, so I'm gonna I'll create my domain later, and then you have to fill all the information, and I usually do 12 months. And guys, 70% off, link down below, so go there. And then once that's done, you again come to Bluehost, click on login, and then once you're login, I'm just gonna log in. So it will load you to the dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, you just have to click on my sites. I'm gonna create a demo site. Okay, as you could see, I've created a lot of sites. So just create the site, put your site name over here, okay, your description or your tagline. Okay, you can put your tagline over here, just click next. Okay, I'm gonna do demo 1. Okay, you don't have to put this thing because I already have yavarkhan.com, but I'm just gonna put demo 1. Just deselect all of these things. You don't need all of these plugins, and just click next. So within 3 seconds, you'll be able to create your website. It's going to be 1, 2, and 3. As you could see, your website is installed. Congratulations. This is how you install your WordPress website. Just click on login to WordPress. As you could see, it's really simple. Just in 3 seconds, you were able to create your own website. Imagine you could create your online brand. You know, you could create a website for others. You could sell this website to others, and it's really easy to edit as well. I'm just going to show it to you. So once you're in your dashboard, the first very important thing is come on settings, click on permalinks, click post name. The reason we are doing this is because we want to show the post name of a page. So for example, currently right now, if I visit my site, this is my post. If I click over here, it shows P1. We don't want to show that. We want to show the post name. So this is hello world. So I want to show hello world on the URL. I want to show hello world over here. So I just saved. Once this is saved, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna refresh. Now as you could see, hello world is over here. So that's it. The second important thing which you have to do is click on coming soon active, because what it does is we need to launch our website. So currently if I open this website, okay, in incognito, it shows new WordPress site coming soon, because what Bluehost does is it doesn't show your website until and unless it's launched. So it's a very good feature. So just come here, just click launch your site. Once that's done, all you have to do is themes. So we're going to install a free theme. So just gonna click here, type Astra, just click over here. Okay, then add new theme. Okay, because we are adding a new theme. Click on Astra. Okay, once you're in Astra, it's gonna take some time to load. So yeah, once you're over here, just click on install, activate. Once this is activated, as you could see on the left hand side, there's Astra options. Click over there. Okay, once you're on Astra options, as you could see over here, install importer plugins. Okay, so just click over here. Now it's activating. Now we have to select a page builder. So we are going to select Elementor, click next. So now all the websites are loaded. So the one with agency is paid and the one without agency is free. So I'm gonna take this one, okay, something very different. Okay, I'm just gonna import site. So it's gonna take time depending upon your internet speed, 2 to 10 minutes. So I'll just pause the video for that while. So as you could see, it only took me 29 seconds. I'm just gonna visit site. And my website looks really good. Okay. So guys, now it's very easy to edit. Just click edit with Elementor. And as you could see, you could say get your haircut today. Okay, be perfect. Okay, the reason I'm doing this is, you know what, because in my area, in my city, there are a lot of saloons opening every day, and I could sell them this website. And guys, it's easy, it's really easy. I have a link in the description. I'm creating a free course on how you could run a web design business where you could, you know, sell websites to all the business owners, so where you could earn money. I've been doing this a lot, and you know, I'm earning a lot of money. Okay, so it's very simple to create. As you could see, it took me 3 seconds to create. So here is your booking, and then what you could do is, if you want to change the background image, okay, just click over here, got it, go to style. Okay, so there's one more website called Unsplash. This is where you get free images. I'm just gonna type hair. Okay, and then you could ask all the beauty salons, just do this, download this. Okay, click over here, open the image, put the image over here. So once it's done, you just have to insert the media. Okay, and then you could see the image over here. If you want to change the background overlay, you could do it over here. You could just make it a little less, update. Okay, if I just click over here and view page, I can just save it. It's update, view page, looks really good. And then if you want to change your logo, guys, it's really simple. All you have to do is come on your dashboard, Astro options, and upload a logo. Click over here and you can just upload a logo. I've created a video on how you can create a professional logo for free. So it's just gonna be here, how to create an awesome logo, a professional logo for free. So it's in my videos. Just have to click here, just change the logo. I'm gonna upload my logo for now. Just click on downloads, find my logo, just over here, just select crop image, and that's it, guys. As you could see, so imagine there's so many beauty salons, and you could sell these websites which you create in 2 minutes, and you could just duplicate it, guys. It's really easy, like, you know, it's very easy. Just copy and paste, and this is how a business runs. Okay, so it's very easy. I've saved my website. I'm just gonna cancel this, go back to my site. Okay, I'm gonna just close all the other ones, as you could see over here. And then if you want to edit all of these, it's really good, guys. Like, it's very easy. Imagine, like, I don't know the potential of money you could earn from this, because I am doing it and I'm enjoying my life. I bought a new iPhone and everything. So guys, you can just complete your dreams. Just close this if you want to delete. Okay, I'm gonna keep this, and the simpler the website, the more easier it is. You could just write down, you could, you know, bleaching, you could say spa, pedicure, cure. Okay, so I'm just not gonna write it right now. And then you could call us today for free, call us for booking, call the number, that's it, update. If you want to add something, guys, adding something is very easy. Just click over here, add a section. Let's go down. If you want to add a heading, you can just click add a widget. You can add this thing. Just click here. You are the best. You can make money creating websites. I'm really bad in spelling websites. Okay, that's it. Updated. Once this is done, you can just view the page. Again, it looks really simple. Like, I'm just an example. It's a mobile responsive. So as you could see, it's mobile responsive. It can come on your mobile as well, tablet. Okay, so it's really easy, and that's it. Okay, just click on exit with dashboard. So guys, that's it. I hope you really like the video. This is how you edit with Elementor. And also one more thing I want to tell you. Okay, once you start making money, then you can purchase all the pro plugins and invest more money in it. But for now, at the beginning, just purchase Bluehost, 70% discount, link in the bio, and start selling things up. Once you start making money, then you can invest more. This is how business runs. It's called bootstrapping. And I hope you really like the video, and thanks for watching. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing, and also join my free course where I tell you how to create a WordPress website from scratch, and also I'll tell you how you could make more money selling a web design business. Thank you so much.